If you don't know how to wash your catfish properly and how to remove all its slimy substance, then this video is for you. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Bosse. And on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to wash your catfish. First thing first is you want to kill your catfish. If you don't know how to do that, you can always give it to the seller. That's where you buy it from, and tell them to help you kill it. So we're just going to cut our catfish into smaller sizes so it can be easier for us to wash it properly. So you're just going to put them in a bowl and under a running water. I always wash my catfish under a running water so I can always get the dirt out of it properly. So I'm just going to do this again. That's wash your catfish like twice under a running water. So this is the second time I'm washing my catfish. So we're just going to rinse again. While rinsing this, I will always suggest you put hot water on fire because you're just going to remove all its slimy substance with hot water. So we're just going to add our hot water to it. And then allow it sit for just 5 seconds. This is what I'm doing. And immediately, I'm just going to pour out the water. The reason why I'm pouring out the water this early is because so the hot water doesn't cook my catfish, because catfish doesn't take time before it gets cooked. So even if you're not careful, the hot water is going to make it get cooked and it will be so soft and start to scatter. So after 5 seconds, you're just going to remove the hot water, and under a running water again, you're just going to rinse your fish. Can you see all its slimy substance are already coming off with ease without doing too much? There are also different ways you can wash your catfish to remove all its slimy substance. Some people use lemon and charcoal, but for me, this is what I do. I just use hot water because it's so easy and stress-free for me. So we're just going to keep repeating the process. That's just put it under a running water and everything is just going to come off until we are done rinsing our fish. So at the end of the day, this is what we have. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this video. Are you going to start rinsing or washing your catfish like this? Do not forget to watch our other videos to learn how to make your easy and affordable recipe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.